Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Mbabazi Collin is my name, and as I said in the previous video, I'm gonna be sharing with you some cool bio ideas to actually put in your Instagram bio and help you get followers and help make your Instagram feed a little bit aesthetic. So let's get into the video. So before, as I was telling you guys, I'm gonna be giving you some 100 plus Instagram bio ideas or examples that you actually copy and put in your Instagram bio. But before I actually start giving you these things, I'm gonna have to tell you that having a good and filled out Instagram bio is actually good for your feed, as it gives a very good first impression for anyone who's going to follow you, and it's actually good to create an aesthetic or a kind of like plain Instagram feed. So I'm gonna be jumping into the first category of like examples I'm gonna give you. They're right here on my pad. So the very first category is actually quotes by famous people. I'm going to be putting an example right here so that you guys can see. And I'm going to be reading out some quotes that you actually put in your bio that actually quotes from famous people. One says, "I would rather die of passion than of boredom," and that was by Vincent van Gogh. I think that's how it's pronounced. I actually don't know, but it is, "I would rather die of passion than of boredom." If you know, like your page is run on more something like passion, this is actually something good that you actually use. The second one is, "This above all, to thy own self be true." And how amazing is that? And that was said by William Shakespeare. Another one is, "Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value," and that was said by Albert Einstein. No one can make you feel inferior about your consent. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. I personally love this, and I've used it before, and I think I'll use it next again. I love it. It's such a true one. And then another one is, "Wanting to be someone else is a waste of time." Wanting to be someone else is a waste of who you truly are. And this was said by Kurt Cobain. Another one is, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. Like, it's all about you. And that was said by Henry Ford. Number 7, "To love oneself is the beginning of a self-long romance," and that was said by Oscar Wilde. There is your will. Where is your will to be weird? Where is your will to be weird? I actually don't understand this one. I think you can skip it. And the other one is, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life," and this was said by Steve Jobs. And then another one is, "To anyone that ever told you you're not good, they are no better," and that was said by Hayley Williams. Now, another kind of Instagram bio examples is actually inspirational Instagram bios, and I'm gonna read this quick. "The best revenge is massive success. Eat, sleep, create. If I cannot do great things, I can do small things in a great way. If you are never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream. It wasn't always easy, but it's worth it. Always aiming to be a rainbow at the end of a thunderstorm. Die having memories, don't die with just dreams." Another one is, I finished that one. "Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live." I love that one. "My goal is to create a life that I don't want to take a vacation from." Your best teacher is your last mistake. With confidence, you have won before you have started. Don't look for society to give you permission to be yourself. I love this one. My greatest fear isn't starting. My greatest fear is not making it to the top. When the pain passes, you eventually see how much good came out of a bad decision. I'm worthy of the goodness I hold. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going. Fill your life with experiences so that always have a great story to tell." And these are kind of like inspiration kind of Instagram bios to actually use. Now, I'm gonna come in and tell you that when choosing this, you could actually use a different font. I love a design font, and I'm gonna be putting a link to where you could actually design your own kind of font, or you could actually get these other cool fancy fonts for free, so you guys can actually use it, because it's actually good to use a different kind of font in your bio. It actually gives it that oomph. So yeah, let's continue with another kind of like category. Another category, actually short and simple Instagram bio. Some people simple, some people hit the bull's eye, some people just like straight to the point. So let's read this. Namaste. This one is funny. Namaste in bed, but I'm gonna write it here. It's not actually namaste like namaste, but like namaste in bed. Simple but significant. Living a little. 99% caffeine. I think this was a coffee lover. Spreading smiles. slow down a human being. This one should be right good. Actually, in a time like this, we're actually trying to fight injustices. Okay, too right to be sad, conquer from within, anything but predictable, born to shine, love without limits. Oh, this is so cool. I got nothing, meet, then your name. This is me, work, play, slay. Oh my god, that's so relatable. And then this is my life, welcome to my world, one of a kind. And then let me continue, messy ban and having fun, gifted.
A few moments later.
The next list is full of clever and snacky Instagram bios, so let's go. The very first one is I'm real, and I hope some of my followers are too, because you know we really need real people in our lives. So, catching flights and on feelings, this is so relatable. I regret nothing you see on this feed. I regret nothing you see on my feed. Great. I would rather steal your dessert than steal your boyfriend. Duh. Sweet as sugar, tough as nails. Born to express, not to impress. I can't remember who stole my bio from. Why? We all part of an ultimate static. 10 out of 10 die. Wow. I'm cool, but global warming made me hot. So those are actually some of the cool Instagram bios you could actually put in your bio and actually copy them. So I'm gonna be putting a link to actually where I actually wrote them and more. I don't know, because these are actually like 80 that I've actually read to you, but there is like 100 plus more that I actually collected and put in a blog post. I'm gonna be putting a description in. I'm gonna put a link in the description down below. Be sure to comment. Be sure to leave me all your thoughts. Please follow your dreams, design your Instagram fits how you love them, keep spreading awareness, keep loving each other. I love you very, very much. Don't forget to actually follow me on Instagram. Show me what's in your Instagram page. Comment your Instagram page down below so we can actually follow each other, talk and everything. Martin Skincare is launching this week, you guys, so I'm gonna be putting a link to it. If you know what handmade skincare products shipped to your doorstep, it's gonna be actually there. The link is gonna be down below. Please click some of the links down below. Check out my blog, check out my brother's Instagram page, check out my brother's other YouTube page. Thank you very much. Until then, I'm out.